guys, welcome back to my channel. So it kind of looks like I don't have on any top under this, but I definitely have on a bralette. Anyways, today I'm just gonna be doing a chit chat, get ready with me. I know I talk a whole lot, but I'm gonna try to talk fast and everything. So basically I'm gonna be doing a hair and makeup, but I've already done my eyes and everything like that, so I'm just going to be doing my foundation and yeah, basically my foundation routine. And I'll respond to her later. Anyways, people be making their own appointments with me. They need to cut it out. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a little chit chat, get ready with me. I've already done my eyes, and I am wearing my lashes. These are in the style Chanel, and these are available on the website. The link will be down in the description box below. And yeah, I did my eyeliner super thick today. I don't know why, but I couldn't get it done nice, like, so I just did it thick and called it a day. My eyebrows are already done, and I did a little bit of eyeshadow. I do the same look almost like every day, so that's that with the look. I'm gonna start by getting my foundation. This is the foundation that I use, and this is Bare Minerals. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. So I did some squirts on my thing, and I'm just going to be getting my beauty blender. This is a real beauty blender, so none like the other. It is nice and damp, and I'm just going to start by blending this on my face. So I have like a couple topics I want to talk about on my channel. So where do I begin? All right, one conversation I want to have is about, oh, and by the way, this foundation is really red on me, but I really like it, and it's gonna melt in as soon as I like highlight and all that. It's gonna melt in really nice. I don't need nobody telling me this is not my tone. It's too red for me. I like it, and that's what really matters. Anyways, though, I wonder if my tone changed within the last couple of days. I don't know. All right, one of the topics I wanted to talk about was YouTubers using other YouTubers' names for views and stuff like that. Like, I'm not gonna mention no names and stuff like that, but I think it's so corny and so lame when other YouTubers try to insert another YouTuber's name just to get clout and stuff like that. Like, one person girls love to use is Aaliyah J. Like, everyone has, like, everyone always exposing Leah J, this about Leah J. Like, I have never seen Aaliyah J caption not one of her videos. I've been following Leah J for the longest now. I've never seen her caption not one of her videos with another YouTuber's name, like trying to get clout off that YouTuber. Like, I don't see why you guys, like, or not even just for like followers, but for views as well. It's like, what do you think you're gaining out of talking about another subscriber, like another YouTuber? Like, I think that shit is so whack. My channel is now at 40K, and I have never done one video like discussing another YouTuber, talking down on another YouTuber, spilling tea on another YouTuber. Like, y'all have to leave that shit for All Tea, All Shade, and Choice TV. Like, that's who that goes to. Like, those channels are made to like spill tea, spill gossip, and talk about other YouTubers. Like, that's what their channel is made of. You can't be a beauty channel or a vlogging channel trying to do your own thing and at the same time get clout off of somebody else. Like, that shit is lame. You need to put in the work that they put in to get where they're at, and maybe you'll be talked about versus you talking about them. That's like one of the main things I see a lot on YouTube. Like, that shit is so whack. Like, what the fuck? Bitches love talking about Aaliyah J. Like, bitches love saying Aaliyah J this, her butt's fake, her that. Like, what difference does that make in your life? Like, how much money do you make off of talking about Aaliyah J? Because I ain't gonna lie, 13,000 views, 20,000 views with her name in it, like, that really don't do much for you. Like, it sucks that you have to use somebody else's name to make money, like, or to try and make money. Like, that shit's weird. You girls just need to work harder. And wait and be patient, and maybe your time will come. But talking down on somebody else and bringing somebody else down, that's not bringing you up. It's really not. So yeah, I'm not gonna stay and talk about this topic too much, because I don't really care. I mean, I care about it, but like it hasn't happened to me, and I don't think it shouldn't happen to me. I mind my business, and so should everybody else, and mind their own business. Do I still look red? I still look super red, but I'm just dabbing. Oh, by the way, I use LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I use it in the color Cool Tan. I had just went like I went and I got the NC45 from MAC, but I don't feel like it gives me a bright enough highlight as I wanted to. I probably should have got NC42, but the MAC girls think they know everything. They don't know nothing. I'm like, damn. But anyways, yeah. And that's what I'm using right now to do underneath my eyes. Another topic I wanted to talk about was like plastic surgery and stuff like that. I definitely plan on getting some lipo, and let's just call it a whole long BBL. Like, I definitely have plans to be doing that in the near future. I want to say maybe in like a couple of months, but I wanted to get some of y'all opinion on it. And when I say opinion, I mean not what you think about me doing what you think about what I should do to my body. My opinion as if like, do you guys want to see me do that process and vlog that process? Like, do you guys want to go through it with me, basically? Not should I do it or should I not, because not that your opinion doesn't matter, but it doesn't matter to what I choose to do to my body. But if you guys want to see that and go through that journey with me, I'm definitely willing to do that and have that on camera for you guys. So yeah, so comment down below if you guys be like, you just be like yes to the BBL journey. Like, yeah, you could just say something like that. And yeah, because I was like, first I was like nervous about it. I'm like, dang, do I want to have this on my channel? And it's like, I don't think it'll be a big difference that you guys will be able to tell. Like, I won't go from like this to this because I'm already a thick girl. I just want to be more curved, basically. Like, I want to have a smaller waist and a smaller tummy. And I don't want nobody telling me like, oh, work out, do squat. I want a bigger booty too. Like, I feel like my booty is little. Like, the only reason why my booty looks the size it does is because I have really thick thighs. If I had no thighs, I'm pretty sure, like, if I was skinny, I would look like a wall. Like, I think, no, not even a wall. I probably have like a little dent, but a little dent. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be doing that. I've already gone over like a few doctors that I want to go to. Never in my life would I ever go to Dr. Miami. He's not good. He's just overhyped. I don't think Dr. Miami's good. He used to be alright in the beginning, but now he's just giving everybody walk booties. So that's a dub for me. But I just said Dr. Miami because I know a lot of people, like, I live in Miami, so a lot of people think that I would go to that bucket. But no. I was thinking Evolution MD, Dr. Lipo. Yeah, his real name is Cesar Villa. I was looking into him, and his prices are really okay too. His like are like $5,500. Like, they're in a good range. Like, I could do Willa. I'm not really too much a fan of Fisher. Like, I know he's doing the body all nice and stuff and real and natural looking, which is what I want, but I personally don't feel like he's giving enough ass. Like, it could be a little bit more ass given. So I have 3 doctors in mind: Dr. Sampson, Dr. Lipo, which is Cesar Villa, and what's the third person? Oh, Dr. Makuto, which is, he's out in Aventura. Dr. Cesar Villa is in Caesar is in Miramar, and Samson, I think Samson is in Miami. I'm not too sure, but I think he's in Miami. So basically what I did was I've gone through everybody's real self, and I've like did my little research on them and whatnot, and I it's not overall, you know, everybody's not gonna be pleased, and there is gonna be some mistakes that happen. Only fear I have in this BBL process is like, there's something that happens to them where they get burned and their skin starts to like open like a burn wound. And I don't know if that's from not taking care of your body after you, I don't know what it's from, but that's like mainly my biggest fear of this BBL journey. Like, that's it. And I mean, yeah, you have the fear of what if your body doesn't come out how you wanted it to, but it's kind of like I just personally feel like I've watched these doctors and I know how they work with certain body types and body types that are similar to mine. So like I kind of see how they sculpt and make the body, and I don't have those bodies that are like overly bad. Like some girls that go and get their body done and it's like, you know, you had no business getting your body done down here in Miami. With that body type, she had to go to like, you needed to go to Dominican Republic, where, because you know DR and other countries, like they don't really have a limit on how much fat they take out of your body. And like some of these girls, their bodies are like so disproportioned, so bad that I'm not shaming no one's body, but the ones that did go and get their body done, like it's like it looks kind of weird. And it's just because you have to go through more rounds. Like your body was really from what you were going for. Because I look at people's what's that shit called, real self, and like I see they put up their wish pics and stuff, and it's like with the body shape that you had and what you were going for, like that's not gonna happen in just one round. Like that's gonna be like you have to go through a couple rounds. How's my face starting to look? It's starting to warming up some. I think I have to get another foundation for the meantime, because I think since the weather's changing and it got cool, my skin tone is just changed up on me. Because oh, by the way, I'm using the Bare Minerals face powder in the color Hazelnut 20. And what's my foundation in? Cappuccino 27. Oh yeah, maybe I should have went maybe like to a 26 or so in the foundation. So maybe that's what I'll end up doing, is picking up a lighter foundation in my tone. But anyways, yeah, so so if you guys want to see that BBL journey with me, I'll be like happy to share it with you. I'm like, and I'm used to, oh, like here, another thing, like somebody, like sometimes I be snapping back at some of my subscribers, and some of them don't even be subscribers. So some of the people that comment on my videos, I do respond to rude people and stuff like that. And some girl, one time I responded to one girl and they was like, oh, you can't take criticism, YouTube's not for you. And it's like, no, YouTube is for me. Like you don't, for one, you can't tell somebody else what is and isn't for them. If I'm doing something and I'm doing pretty good at it, then it's for me. Even if I was doing bad at it, you're not, who are you to basically tell me like it's not for me? So I just want to get that clear, that I won't, like the negative comments and stuff like that, that won't be an issue for me, because I just simply read them, and depending on what mood I'm in, if I'm in a okay mood, I might respond to you and, you know, read you. And if I'm just like, okay, this person has nothing to do, then I just simply block the channel. And then I like, basically, you don't like me, you don't like what I post, you don't like how I did this, you don't like how I do that, so great, you won't ever see me again. Like that's basically what it is. I've seen posts from people that's been like, oh, I went to high school with you, I hate you, I'm blocking you. And it's like, okay, you went to high school with me, you were probably scared of me, and it's like, go ahead and block me. Like you commented to let me know you blocked me, and then it's an anonymous page. Like what do you think you just did right now? Like I was really, oh, and I just contoured with this. I be really like, people be so bored. Like people, y'all have to get lives. You have to get lives. That's just like when you go on like Instagram and you see like people commenting under, like, not saying that I'm a celebrity, but like you see people comment like things under celebrity posts, and it's just like, what do you get out of that? Like, how did that benefit you just now? Like, what did you get out of it? That shit is so stupid to me. Like, it's so dumb. I think the color started to blend in more. But you know what's gonna happen after I did my little highlight contour? My chest looks so light compared to my neck. I shouldn't even have my chest out. But it only looks light like this because I always wear sleeves. Like I don't walk around with my chest out and stuff like that. And I've been wearing cover up, so my chest is probably lighter than my neck. My inner arms, kind of like how your inner arms, like over here, is lighter than over here. I'm definitely probably gonna end up hopefully you guys, if you guys want it, then I'll do it. If you don't, like, I really don't have to share it. It's not that big of a deal, but y'all gonna see these pictures. Like, I'm doing a Zaful swimsuit haul, the fuck, right after. More fashion hauls right after. Just gonna be enough, like, y'all gonna see it regardless. So, but it's not, I'm just saying, because it's not a secret. Like, I don't really care for who finds out about it or who, you know, sees it. Like, it's not a secret. It's something that I've wanted to do for a while and stuff like that. So if you can afford it and you want it for yourself, then why not? But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I want to say, like, I can't give it a time date, but I know is it just me, or do these two never line up? Like, I don't think it. I'm gonna be taking my, it's from BH Cosmetics Glamour Brush Palette. I got this like years ago when I took a not a lash class, when I took a makeup course with this lady. She made us pay all this fucking money just to have a bunch of cheap ass shit, but it works and I like it. Like, cheap stuff is always good as well. A lot of people stop using the banana powder, but I think out of all the powders, like, I've had the Laura Mercier, I ran out of my Laura Mercier, but I've had the Laura Mercier, I've had Sacha Buttercup, and I've also had Laura Mercier, Sacha Buttercup, and I also had, it's another one. No, that's it. Laura Mercier, Sacha Buttercup, and the banana powder. I personally think the best one is the banana powder. Like, that's the only one that when you wipe it off, it doesn't have like a white flash. Oh, and I also tried that Walmart one, like airbrush, something like that. Air spun, that one. I've tried them all, but to me the best one is the banana powder. You know, this is the Naked Trio. And I really like this one because it's more shimmery and glittery. Like, it's more shimmery and glittery, and I just like to like dab it on right here, but it doesn't like sit on the face as shiny as the rest of the girls ones do. I don't know what they do. I don't know if they, I don't know, they probably, oh, I know what they do, but they rub it in like that, like this. But I don't like that big, too much gold look. I just like to keep it cute, and I love to do the nose, but I think I kind of went out of the nose thing using this big brush, and I'll probably just do a little dot right here, and then just let me back up with my nose. Also kind of drag it up. Yeah. And I like to give a little something to position, and I'll do a little something right here just to make it glitter a little bit. Yeah, so boom. I want to start on my hair now.